Hi, this is Jeff Mahoney from RowdyRabbit.com. In this screencast, I'll give an introduction to the Drupal Garden's administrative interface using a website that I designed, selltheheartrecords.com. When logged into a Drupal Garden site, you will notice it looks slightly different than it does when you are not logged in. The first thing you will probably notice that's different is that you have a couple of administrative menus at the top of the screen. Using these menus, you have quick access to all sorts of useful tools. The top menu is the main administrative menu, and the second menu contains administrative shortcuts that you can personalize. So we'll focus on the top menu, and I'll demonstrate how the shortcut menu works later. This top menu up here. First, we see an icon shaped like a house that is linked to the home page. Simple enough. Next, there are links to administrative pages related to the site's content, to its structure, its appearance, to the people who use the site, to the site's modules, which are features that can be turned on or off, such as a blog, a forum, or the ability to comment, to the general configuration, to the site's reports, and also to a dashboard, which is customizable. On the right, there are links to help, to My Sites, which is your Drupal Garden's site manager that you use if you have multiple Drupal Garden sites, to your account, and a link to logout. There are also a number of contextual links that you will have access to, meaning you can hover over things and a pop-up menu happens like that. Some of these require JavaScript, so if you use an old computer or an old cell phone to edit the site, you'll have to use the top menus more often. Hovering over the site logo, there are links to configure the site logo block and to explain what a block is. Configure block, what is a block? A block is a rectangle of content that can be reused in different areas of the site. Hovering over the social icons, you have the same options. The main menu has menu options in addition to block options. The grid of artist information is known as a view. Hovering over the view gives you links that allow you to change the view or learn about views. Views are, for simplicity's sake, lists built from other content. Or, in this case, it's not a list, it's a grid. Views can be blocks, as is seen in the contextual links when we hover over the artist's block on the right sidebar here. At the bottom of the page, you can see that the copyright is just a simple block I made containing some text. It is easy to place a block on every page. If we navigate to a particular page of content, like this sniper's band, you'll see two new tabs on the top of the content with links to view and edit it. We're already on view. Let's take a quick look at the edit form for this band page, or this artist page. By default, Drupal Gardens displays overlay pages when you're editing. If you have problems with these overlays, they can be turned off and edit links will lead to normal pages without overlays. You can see that the edit form looks very clean and simple. There is a place for a title, a main image with descriptions for screen readers and search engines, a body field with a rich text editor, a field for links that I added, and other various options such as the option to provide a menu link and the option to allow commenting. Many of the fields on this form were added by me. It's easy to set up forms like this to ensure that when you add content, it is formatted the same time or the same every time, and to allow you to reuse content later in many ways because you separated it with fields. Confused? If you aren't, good for you. If you are, all this stuff will become second nature in time, and you don't have to remember the details right now. It's only important that you get an overview at this point. In this video, we learned an overview of the top menu. Blocks are reusable rectangles of content. Views are lists of content made up of fields. Views can be displayed as blocks and as pages. Single pieces of content, such as a single artist, are known as a node. When viewing a node while logged in, extra tabs appear with links to edit or view it. In the next video, we'll dig a little deeper into the administration menu. Comments are always welcome. See you next time.